In this video, I have some changes I'd like to make. I think in the last video I mentioned that we were going to work on user update, but I have some things I want to do first. And one of the first things I want to do is rename this. And let's rename it something a little bit more intuitive. We'll call it user create form. So we have the user create form, and then we have user create. So here's the user create form, which we already worked on. Oh, actually, that was not there. So we're going to add that though as part of my plan to. So right now, when we create a user, hit create, and it says new record created. Looks like it's trying to find. Yeah, let's go here. User PD. Okay, I got to change that too. So in the navigation, since I changed that page to user create form, users create form, I'm going to just click rename and then hit Control C so it copies that. And I'll go to includes navigation, and we'll replace that with this. Now it will find it. If we go here, we hit refresh. Users 1. It looks like it's displaying different. Wonder why that is. Users create form. Maybe I deleted something important. Yeah, okay, I deleted this, the head, when I got rid of that. Okay, so now we're back on track. When you click this, this loads, and instead of having it do this and then us having to go back and hit refresh, I want to make it submit to itself. That's the technical term for what I would like it to do. So what we want to do is, in the user create, like when you fill out this form, it triggers this page, and that's this one. And this is the one that gives you the little message that says new record created successfully. I actually want to do, if this happens, that means that it succeeded. And actually what I want to do is do a PHP header redirect. So I did a search for PHP header redirect and found this page. Maybe it wasn't this one. This one, okay. So I copied this line right here. This guy actually had an error, I think, and this guy told him change it to this. So we'll use that. Blah blah blah. We don't want it to go to blah 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 though. We want it to actually go to user create form. So I'm gonna do again rename, hit Control C, and then paste that right there. Users create form. And not only that, but right here I want to change this to a variable, MSG, as in message, and might as well just leave it like that. We want to do this. We're going to pass this message through a get variable. And the way you do that is after the file name, you put a question mark and say, I'll just use MSG again and say equals the variable MSG. So basically MSG, this statement is going to pass through. And let's try it now. Let's see if it works. We'll go back here and new person, password, and okay, now it just refreshed, and you'll notice up here it says message new record created successfully. So it is traveling back to this page, and that's where in here we want to do we want to make an if statement that says if is set, and it's a get variable, so you do this and say MSG. So if that is set, and I'm going to copy this, then set this new variable on this page, message, equal to that. And then we want to display it somewhere, like just for starters, we'll do it right here. We'll say echo that, just to see if it's working. So there it is. Now we know that we got that working. And in the next video, we'll give this a little bit more style than just that text like that.